If you've been searching for a home in Franklin, Tennessee, and you want something that feels timeless, like it belongs in historic Franklin, walkable to downtown, and not something that could be dropped into any suburb in America, you need to know about Magnolia Hall. Because Magnolia Hall is not a typical neighborhood. This is one of the most unique, luxurious opportunities anywhere in Franklin, and it's honestly in a category of its own. It's boutique. It's intentional, it's rooted in real history, and there is simply nothing else like it. And here's what makes it so special. Magnolia Hall gives you the presence and charm of an era mansion lifestyle, the kind of architecture and atmosphere people fall in love with in historic Franklin, but with completely modern amenities, modern comfort, and a home designed for the way people actually live. So instead of historic charm and historic headaches, you get historic elegance with modern function. I'm Erika Kurre. I'm a local Franklin agent, and I specialize in helping buyers make smart, confident decisions in Williamson County, especially when it comes to high-end homes and new construction where the details matter. I'm very hands-on, I'm very direct, and I'm here to make sure you don't just fall in love with a home, you understand what you're buying, why it's valuable, and how it fits your lifestyle long term. Today, I'm walking you through Magnolia Hall after I toured it myself. We're going to see what it is, what makes it different from everything else in Franklin, and why only a very small number of people will ever have the chance to call this home. Because once you understand Magnolia Hall, you stop comparing it to other neighborhoods, and you start realizing this is a once-in-a-generation kind of address. Let's start with the story behind it, because Magnolia Hall isn't just a pretty name, it's a landmark. The entire community is centered around a historic mansion known as Magnolia Hall. It was originally built in 1840 by William S. Campbell after his journey from Ireland, and it's recognized on the National Register of Historical Places. This property has been part of Franklin's story for generations. And it's one of those places that people have driven past for years and wondered about. It has a presence that feels established, meaningful, and rare. Over time, Magnolia Hall became home to 10 prominent Franklin families, so it isn't just an old home. It's a piece of Franklin's legacy, real history, real roots, and real significance. And what makes this community so special is that Magnolia Hall is being restored to its greatness, while a very small, intentional neighborhood is being built around it, designed to honor the history, protect the character, and create a truly extraordinary way of living right here in the middle of historic Franklin. So when you buy here, you're not just buying a house, you're buying into something that has identity, something that has permanence, something that has history, and feels like it belongs, because it does. Now, let's talk about the location, because this is another reason Magnolia Hall is so rare. Magnolia Hall sits right in historic Franklin, as you may have guessed. It is just minutes from Main Street, which means walkability. You're close to everything people move here for: restaurants, coffee shops, shopping, local events, and all the charm of downtown Franklin. This is the kind of lifestyle where you could decide last minute to go out, grab dinner, walk around downtown, stop by the factory, and still be home quickly without feeling like you've planned a whole expedition. And at the same time, Magnolia Hall is designed to feel peaceful and tucked away, which is not easy to find this close to the heart of downtown. You're also surrounded by green space and outdoor recreation. You've got places like the park at Harlansdale, Pinkerton Park, and Jim Warren right next door. So you're living close to downtown Franklin, but you're also living close to the kind of outdoor space that makes daily life feel balanced and enjoyable. Now let's talk about what Magnolia Hall actually is, because this is where the uniqueness becomes very real. Magnolia Hall is a boutique community of 10 custom homes. 10 lots, 10. That's it. I'll repeat, 10. There is no "we'll build more later." There are no future phases waiting around the corner. This is no endless inventory. So only 10 buyers will ever have the opportunity to purchase into this history with a new home. And in the market like Franklin, where location, character, scarcity, they all drive long-term value, this matters. This is not a neighborhood you can replicate. You cannot just go find another Magnolia Hall and build it down the road. That limited footprint is intentional, and it's part of what keeps Magnolia Hall special. It's not meant to be everywhere. It's meant to be rare in a place where we're not building any new. And these are not track homes, production homes dressed up with a few luxury updates. These are fully custom homes with custom finishes, custom interiors, custom choices, paired with architecture designed to feel historically relevant to the setting. And that combination is what creates the era mansion feel. You pull into the neighborhood and it doesn't feel like new construction trying to be trendy. It feels timeless. It feels elevated. It feels like it belongs in historic Franklin. Now, the setting here is one of the biggest reasons buyers fall in love and why I love it, to be honest. Residents have exclusive access to the Magnolia Hall grounds, including 4 acres of landscaped scenery, a private park with places to sit and reflect, and even a spring-fed, fully stocked pond. And that is wildly rare in this location. So instead of your view being typical neighborhood scenery, you're surrounded by a setting that feels peaceful and curated, almost like you live inside a private, historic estate. It's the kind of environment that makes you exhale when you pull in. Now, let's go to the homes. I want to take you inside because this is where Magnolia Hall gives you the best of both worlds, with classic architecture, timeless curb appeal, but they're built with modern luxury living in mind. And that matters because so many buyers fall in love with the historic Franklin charm, but they don't want the stress that comes with older homes. Here, you get that elegant, estate-like presence without the constant maintenance, without the uncertainty, and without the compromises. The floor plans are designed for everyday ease, with the ability to live day to day all on one level. And for added comfort and flexibility, these homes include personal elevators built in for easy access to additional levels, including upstairs or even basement space, which is so rare here. That kind of thoughtful design is a big deal because it makes the home feel beautiful today and livable long term. And I can't tell you how many times I went through these homes and thought, wow, this home has every single thing that so many buyers fall in love with another home in and say, but I wish it had this, like a basement or a storm shelter. These homes have those things. They have everything that every buyer wants. The interiors are also designed to feel open and comfortable with wide openings that create a natural flow from space to space. It's the kind of layout that makes the home feel bigger, brighter, and just more effortless to move through. And Magnolia Hall is built for real life and real entertaining. The layout centers around a kitchen, a scullery, a great room concept that creates visibility, connection, and comfort. The scullery style space is one of those details that people don't always think about until they have it, because it lets your main kitchen stay beautiful and presentation ready, even when you're actually using it. So if you love hosting, this is the kind of home that would support that. Another standout feature is the guest suite on the main floor. And in many of these plans, it's large enough to function like a second primary suite. Outdoor living is also a key part of the lifestyle here. Every home includes a private courtyard or pool deck experience with covered outdoor living, which gives you that private retreat feeling right at home. It's not just about having outdoor space. It's about having outdoor space that feels intentional and usable, the kind of space you'll actually live in. And yes, 3-car garages are standard, and they're designed to be deep and wide enough for real vehicles, including large cars and trucks. That sounds like a small detail until you've lived in a luxury garage that doesn't actually fit your life. These details matter. Now, the daily life benefit that buyers love here is that the neighborhood is designed to stay fully and beautifully maintained. The HOA maintains the common areas, including the lake, the private park, and the yard areas visible from the street, so the community stays pristine and cohesive. And when you combine that with the setting, the history, and the limited number of homes, what you get is a neighborhood that feels peaceful, elevated, and truly one of a kind. Now, let me bring it back to the big picture. Magnolia Hall is not for someone who wants just another nice house. Magnolia Hall is for someone who wants something rare. It's for someone who wants historic Franklin access but wants privacy and peace when they come home. It's for someone who loves architecture and legacy but wants modern comfort, modern function, and a home that lives the way it should at this level. And it's for someone who understands that opportunities like this do not come along often, because only 10 buyers will ever get to say they purchased into Magnolia Hall. Only 10 buyers will get to live inside this setting with this level of history in this location with this kind of custom design and estate-like atmosphere brand new. That's what makes it special. And that's what makes it different from everything else. Now, if Magnolia Hall is even remotely on your radar, here's what I recommend. Set up a one-on-one Zoom meeting with me. In the description of this video, you'll see my Typeform link. When you click it, you'll be able to book a time that works for you based on my real available openings. So you're not playing email tag, you're not waiting around, and you're not trying to squeeze it into your week blindly. Pick a time, lock it in, and we'll make it easy. And here's exactly what we'll cover on that Zoom call. You and I will go over one-on-one what's currently available in Magnolia Hall. We'll talk through how the homes are structured and what options make the most sense for your lifestyle. We'll map out a smart plan for next steps, whether that means moving quickly, planning a timeline, or comparing Magnolia Hall to a few other high-end options in Franklin that might also fit what you want. I'll also help you think through the real-life questions that matter with a custom build and what features actually make a difference day to day, what choices protect long-term value, and how to make sure you're getting a home that fits you now and still makes sense later. So if you're relocating, if you're updating, if you're building, if you're upgrading, you want something special, or if you just want to understand Magnolia Hall before you make a move, grab a time through my Typeform link in the description. Because the goal isn't just to buy a beautiful home, the goal is to buy the right one so your daily life feels effortless and your home feels like it was meant to be yours.